Like we want the kind of future where you can fast forward, if you're so excited about the future that you want to sort of fast forward into the future and see what's happening. That's the kind of future that we want. And I think what you're doing here is one of those things that makes people excited about the future. Those things are rare, and it's next level stuff. So yeah, you guys rock. Great.
Hi, this is Judy Warner. We're here today at the Hyperloop Pod Competition 3 on the grounds of SpaceX in Hawthorne, California. Along the side of the road here, you'll see the mile-long tube that the pods will take a run in. There's about 20 universities represented here, and Altium sponsors about 7 of them. Let's go in and talk to the teams. We're back with Tristan and Ryan. What impact do you think this has had on you guys personally, and how you think it's going to impact you actually professionally?
This has opened up the door for a lot of internship opportunities because companies really like to see extracurricular activity, especially in something that's so challenging and something that provides you the opportunity to learn so much.
What's the role that actually our software, where did it help you kind of get unstuck when you got caught up with engineering challenges? And you moved from 17 to 18, and I imagine that's been significant. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so one of the biggest features that we were able to utilize this first time with Altium 18 was like the multi-board design feature. So we've got 4 different boards on the pod that all have to interface with each other. So having a kind of hierarchical view of the pod and of the entire electrical system was very useful, and that really helped with the integrations. And we feel like we've only really scratched the surface of what we're able to do with Altium just in the the year and a half that we've spent actually designing boards. So we're really excited.
This is the first year that Altium has sponsored you. So can you tell us a little bit about the boards that you designed and how the tool was helpful and may have helped you overcome some challenges that you came up against?
Yeah, well, it's extremely important in this competition is your entire vehicle is self-driving basically. So as soon as you press on launch, the entire control of your vehicle, the next 15 seconds, and the entire control of your entire year is in charge of your computing unit and your PCBs. We have hundreds of sensors in this pod, and they all need to be connected to that board and to convert in a certain way to the signal to our computing unit. And that's all custom designed because it's something new. It's something that's for the future here. So it's not designed before. So we really want to make something new, and that's where we need Altium for. Because together with a sponsor, you can really develop more new things and also basically innovate. And it's very cool to see how we can learn from them, but also how we can inspire our sponsors and with the awesome projects we do. Yeah.
Well, you absolutely inspire everyone at Altium, I can tell you that. I'm with Martin Riedel just after the 3rd win of the Hyperloop Pod competition. And well, what I wanted to ask you about is really your experience here at the competition over the last few years and how you think that sort of impacted you personally and from the standpoint of your future career.
Yeah. Well, I think the competition is a great place to show your practical skills and develop practical skills. So while you do a lot of theory in lectures, right, the competition is the first time you actually get to develop a whole system, think of it, design it, implement it, run it, test it, and then make it work in the end. So that's something that really distinguishes from normal studies, and it's a very, very awesome opportunity to have, and a very big reward to go here to Los Angeles and test it out here, and then
And to hang out with Elon Musk and really get international recognition.
Indeed, yeah.
What is the role of sponsors for your team?
Sponsors are vital because otherwise we wouldn't have the opportunity to do what we wanted to do. To really do what we dream to do and to develop what we want to dream on doing and building and develop. And so, for example, with Altium, right, we're able to design boards that we couldn't do without that software in that case. And it's a great tool, and it's a great opportunity to learn that software. It's a great future opportunity for all of us in the team. And same goes to all of the other sponsors. They really make this whole project possible in the first place.